Hi, kids! In this game, you'll see 3 pictures. Can you name the 2 that start with the same beginning sound before I do? Okay, let's play Match That Beginning Sound from Reading Recipe. 2. Which begins with the same sound as 2? Sun or tongue? Tongue and 2 both start with the t sound. Moon, which begins with the same sound as moon, man, or hat. Yes, man and moon both start with the m sound. Cat, which begins with the same sound as cat, cup, or fan. Cup and cat both begin with the k sound. Bike, which begins with the same beginning sound as bike, book, or shoe. Book and bike both begin with the b sound. Lemon, which begins with the same sound as lemon, zebra, or lion. Lemon and lion both begin with the l sound. Rug, which begins with the same sound as rug, beach, or ring. Rug and ring both begin with the r sound. Girl, which begins with the same sound as girl, gift, or mango. Gift and girl both start with the g sound. Window, which begins with the same sound as window, fish, or watch. Window and watch both begin with the w sound. Jacket, which begins with the same sound as jacket, 9, or jar. Jar and jacket both start with the j sound. 7, which begins with the same sound as 7, salad, or tiger. 7 and salad both begin with the s sound. The end.